What? A drawing on the wall? Bruce! If you give a kid a roll of wallpaper, the wall won't get hurt, and Dad will quickly cover the art. You are so great! I am proud of my artist! I can't color the picture right! Mom! The guard is here! You'll have to color the shape very carefully! You don't want to lose, right? Sweetheart? Ah! What do you want? I can't choose my socks. These! Now go! You scared me! Mommy, let me help you sweep the floor. Oh no! It got worse! What do I do? Sweetie, sweep all the trash inside this square. Thanks, my little helper. We're going on a trip. We just have to pack the essentials. Don't forget my poppets. But they are going to take up the entire suitcase. What do we do with them? I have an idea. A poppet suitcase. Hold on. Listen, honey. There's someone there. Sweetie, what are you doing in the suitcase? I can't go without my poppet. Ouch! Hair clips are all over the place.
Huh?
I'm done with that. A magnet strip on the wall will hold all the hair clips we have. Another clip is home. Mommy, it's so much fun. Whoops! Daddy, I spilled water from the paint cup. We're gonna take care of it. Here, I came up with a protective balloon cap. You won't spill any more water, even if you turn the cup over. Thank you, Daddy. Have fun painting, sweetie. My little artist. What is this? A balloon? From my present? Bruce, what did you do? I was about to give our kid a spill-proof paint cup. I just have to put shoes on. Nice! Sweetie, we're late for school. What's wrong with your feet? Mommy, something went wrong. A sticker will help us out. Attach the two halves to the soles of the shoes. And now these feet have to hurry up to school. Which hand is for the fork and which one is for the knife? Honey, good thing I have a spare sticker left, sweetheart. Oh, my favorite candy. I'll just have one. And another one. And more. Hey, who ate all the candy? I have to hide candy from my daughter. But where? In the microwave. I am so smart. Where did Mom hide candy? In the drawers? Fridge? Lockers? Aha! In the microwave! I was right! Where would you hide candy? Comment your answer down below. What? My candy is gone again! Okay, sweetie. I bet you can't find this stash. No one will be looking for candy in all the healthy veggies. Where does our mom hide candy? Ha! In the microwave, of course! No, that's weird. Where can it be? It's just veggies. So healthy and boring. Oh man, I won't have any candy. Me either, Daddy. Where did Mom hide it? I have no idea. They didn't figure it out. The candy was right under your nose all the time. Please, give me one piece. Fine, I can't say no. Hey, Bruce, share with your kid. I hate brushing my teeth. Ew! This toothpaste is gross. She didn't brush her teeth again. I guess I'll have to upgrade this toothpaste. Toothpaste dressed as Coke. Dad, that's a great disguise. Whoa! New toothpaste. Is this really Coke? Ew, no! Dad tricked me! Well, it's time for revenge, Daddy. Who wants whipped cream? I should shave.
Huh?
Hang on, is this something sweet? It tastes like whipped cream. Thank you, sweetie. Want some? Sweetie, go to sleep. Good night. Mom! What? Did you forget a toy? I'm scared of monsters under my bed. Let's see. I know what you need. Sweetie, here's some monster repellent. It protects you from all kinds of monsters, even the ones that live under your bed. Spray it. That's it. Now you're safe. Yay! Thank you, Mommy. Now I can sleep tight. Ew! I can't work like this. Sweetie, what's up with your room? It looks like a dumpster. How many times have I asked you to clean up? Why do you never listen to me? All right, clean up and I'll give you candy. No! What if I pay you? No!
Huh?
That's weird. It usually works. I need a different motivation. Honey, clean your room. Okay, Mommy. Mom's word is always law. Great job, sweetie. You deserve candy.
Huh?
Where did my face go? Bruce! Your delicious, healthy lunch. No way! I hate fruits and vegetables.
Huh?
All right, I'll think of something else. If fruit and veggies are powerless, honey can help. Mix honey and fruit with a blender. Then refrigerate it. Would you like some honey jelly, sweetie?
Ooh.
No? Then I'll have it all myself. Your tongue is so blue. I want it too. We tried all the flavors. Which honey jelly is better? green or red. This is so fun! Mom, would you untangle my doll's hair?
Huh?
Oh gosh, it looks like a nest. Honey, I can't brush my hair. It's tangled. Okay, I know a life hack for everyone. Coconut oil. Some oil can tame your hair, and it'll be straight and smooth. Now you can easily brush it. Awesome! My dolls are next. Okay, they will also get some coconut oil. Look, Mom, I styled Dad's hair. Happy birthday, sweetie! Make a wish! Birthday sparklers! Yikes! Fire is dangerous! Put a sparkler in a plastic cup for safety. And you get a safe protector for your hand. The sparkler isn't dangerous anymore. I have another one, an adult sparkler. No, no, no! We have a big bucket for Dad. Everyone's safe. Did you like our life hacks? Then comment below which life hack you are going to share with your parents. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.